Meaning of Darwinism.
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 Darwinism. Darwinism refers to the theory of evolution proposed by Charles Darwin, which suggests that species evolve through a process of natural selection, meaning that individuals with advantageous traits are more likely to survive and reproduce. This results in gradual changes in the population over generations, leading to the formation of new species. Darwinism has been widely accepted as the foundation of modern evolutionary biology and has greatly influenced our understanding of the natural world and our place within it.